Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you how to make a loaded envelope without using any tools. You're gonna need, so this is how it looks without being adhered, secured, assembled. But you'll need a 12 by 12 paper. It's not perfect, of course, because you're not using a tool. It's handmade. So let me just pull out a paper from this paper pad. Let's do the lips. And so, 12 by 12 paper. If it's double-sided, that's okay too, but if it's not double-sided, then you know you want the white on the facing up when you do this, because it'll be on the inside. So basically, it's at a square, right? You just turn it so it's a diamond, and the points line up as straight as you can, and you'll grab these and fold them in to where they meet in the center as much as possible. But because it's handmade, you know, it's just going to be as close as it can get. And then burnish, burnish. So that's, you can see it coming together. And then you just pick up the bottom, fold it up for as much as you want, and burnish that as well. There's your envelope. And like, I just roll this. I don't know why. I think it looks pretty cool when you embellish it. But yeah, so I just have this little roll down thing, and you'll want to add your tape or glue to glue it down, and then you have a good little size pocket. So let me glue these and I'll be right back. Okay, and so there you have it, your pocket. Now you can stuff all the goodies and stuff you're gonna share inside of the pockets. And so I'll be back to show you what I'm gonna end up stuffing in my pockets in another video. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, I appreciate your love and support. Welcome back. Okay, so here it is loaded with stuff, and now I just need to embellish the outside and it's ready to mail. I just wanted to show you that it could fit a lot of stuff. It's loaded. Okay. Please consider liking and sharing. If you're new, subscribing. You can find more videos like these here. And until my next video, shakas!